Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today to talk about the new headgear that Optrel had just come out with. Now, this new headgear is called the IsoFit. I have two helmets here. One is my old Crystal 2.0, and one is the new Panoramaxx CLT, which is crystal lens technology, and the Panoramaxx edition, which comes with the all-new headgear. So all the new Panoramaxx coming out from here on out are going to have this new style headgear. And then you can also retrofit your old hood with the new head. Will fit all Optrel hoods across the board. This new headgear will. So in this video we're going to go over just the differences, how they feel, and we're going to see about, maybe taking it apart and seeing how we can fit it in there. But there's the old ones. Now, as you remember, the old Crystal had that rigid style headgear, and this was an add-on which did not come with it, but for $7 it really made the top of your head very comfortable. And you could adjust the top, you can adjust obviously the back and the front. It's got the nice pad. I like that headgear. It felt comfortable to me. There was a lot of people that felt that it was old school or didn't quite fit them right, that sort of thing, which to each his own, but I enjoyed that headgear. But then they just came out with the new IsoFit. As you can see, that thing, it looks like a little basket that's going to cradle your head. I mean, it is really comfortable. It fits very nice. It has a ton of adjustability. So once again, like all their old style helmets and the new style helmets, you can adjust in and out function. You can adjust the height of the headgear inside. Now this one will adjust the front and the back. You can adjust the top from the top there. I mean, it's got a ton of adjustability. I'll try it on here and see how it fits. Now, I'm going to weld with it later, but this thing really is, I mean, it tightens right up. It's nice. It fits extremely nice. It feels like almost like you're wearing a ball cap. It's sitting on top of your head. It covered that much coverage, and it's got some nice padding up top. So one of the things that they have here, and we'll dive a little deeper into, it's got the cables on either side. So when you tighten it, it's pulling those cables in, and it's causing it to pull in the front, the back, and then it's looping in right in here too, and you can kind of feel it on your head when you tighten it. It's pulling in each side. Then to loosen, you just one click and it opens up, and then you can pull it open like that, and it goes back to normal, and then you can readjust. So it's just one click to loosen, pulls open, and then you can adjust the tension as you go there. Very nice helmet, very nice. Just very nice headgear inside. So like I said, you can buy this to retrofit all Optrel hoods. The price on it's around $58 to get this new headgear. It's fairly simple to take apart and put in. We can dive into that here. Alright, so to dive into this retrofit, so if you do buy the upgraded headgear and you have an old Crystal or any Optrel hood and you want to put this headgear on and you never change this headgear, so one thing to keep in mind, it can be kind of a pain, but it's not too bad once you do it. So if you see this looks hexagonal nut, it's actually a little cam lock down inside there. So you just got to turn it to the right, and now it's going to allow you to unscrew this knob all the way, and it all comes out. I'll show you what's in there. This piece comes off, and then it all comes undone. So just on all your old hoods too, it's going to be the exact same thing. And just to put it back together, which can be the trickier part, put that on there. And inside there, I'll show you here. So this is the little cam lock piece I'm talking about. See how it's got a little cam on there? So that goes in the center of this. Get that there. You fit it down in there. Then you turn it back to the, well, give this thing a little tighten down all the way where we want it. Takes some fitting up to get it all together, but it will go back together. Okay, so we're back in there. So this thing, push it down in, turn it to the left. Now we're cam locked in, so this nut can't back itself off there. Tighten that up. We're back together. So kind of takes a little tricky to fit it all back together, but once you get it, it's tight, and now you can adjust your tightness on whether you want your hood to come down faster or easier. Just tighten it up. Like I said before, same as on my old Crystal here. You just turn that to the right. So it takes a little bit of finger pressure to turn that. But you just turn it to the right, and then you can back that out. If you don't turn that to the right, what happens is you end up, it comes to the very top, and then it won't, you can't even pull it out of there because that little cam is locking it in there. Same thing. Pulls right out, and see it's the same style, and across the board on all Optrel hoods. So put that back together. Guys, tighten that back down, and then push that cam in. Turn it back to the left there, and you're good to go. And then that's just how you retrofit that hood. So like I said, $58, and you can go to the new IsoFit. It's really comfortable, a lot of adjustability. If you're a person that really likes some high-end welding gear, I mean, this is it. This is top notch, top of the line. That headgear is something else, and it's pretty amazing. It's pretty comfortable. Very good design. The viewing range on this Panoramaxx CLT is unreal with that crystal lens. Blows my mind. Really nice hood. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.